I really wanted to make this video today because I want to bring to your attention something that you're probably missing in your quest for, or in your quest of getting more money, bringing in more money into your physical experience. It is very important that you understand some of these concepts I'm about to share today. It will really help you as you go about your business, as you go out into the cosmic marketplace of life, and as you engage with your customers, you engage with your clients. This will really, really help you not only to pull in more abundance into your life, but to help you also appreciate the abundance that you already have in your life right now. So let's talk about money. When people talk about money, they tend to only focus on the physical aspect of money. That is the paper bills, the physical money that we all know and recognize as money. We have to understand that money, which is the physical paper that you hold that you call the money, is only a representation of value. Without our collective acceptance or collective agreement as a consciousness, without our collective agreement on what type of value to place on a certain piece of paper, the paper is valueless. It has no value. It is meaningless. It has no meaning until the collective conscious decides, okay, this is $100. This is 1,000 naira. So you have to understand that the money in and of itself, the paper, has no value except the value that we place upon it. So you do know that everything is energy. You are energy. Life is energy. Everything around us is all energy. There's nothing else. And so when we talk about money, I want you to begin to shift your mind from the physical paper bills and begin to think of money in its energetic form. The energetic aspect of money, what it represents, because the physical paper bills is only representing value. And the physical paper bills have nothing, no value whatsoever, until we ascribe value to it as a collective conscious. Until the collective in a society, in a group decides that this is the value for this paper bill, it has no value. And so when you go about your life and you walk into the cosmic marketplace of life, you have to understand that the true value is in your head. The true value is in your hand. The true value is you. And so when you have this conversation of, oh, I want more money, I'm trying to make more money, you really want to step back and have that conversation like, how can I bring more value into the marketplace of life? How can I serve some more? How can I give more of myself? Because understand that the universe is not operating wealth and abundance and prosperity based on physical paper bills. It's operating based on the energetic exchange that is going on. This is why it is so important that when you're doing your work, or when you're serving, or when you're doing whatever it is that brings you joy and makes you money, you do it with all of your heart. You do it with all of your presence, all of your concentration and attention in the present moment. It's very important to note how you are feeling about certain things, how you feel around the conversation of money, how you feel when you go to withdraw money, how you feel when you spend money. It all tells on the type of value that you're bringing into the cosmic space. It all tells on how you're presenting yourself in the cosmic space. So you want to be very careful that you're not constantly presenting yourself as somebody who does not have money. All of this is happening in the mind, by the way. Do not present yourself in life as someone who doesn't have money. You want to be able to organize your thoughts and organize your mind in such a way that you can think highly of yourself, even when you do not have the dollars in your pocket, even when you do not have the cash in your pocket. You can think highly of yourself. You can think of yourself as someone who is valuable. And you can begin to bring yourself to a place where you are giving more and more value to people. So if you want more money to flow into your experience, what you're also saying is you want more energy to flow out of you into the universal space. You want more energy to flow out of you to other people. And this can be very simple. from helping somebody feel better about themselves, to smiling at somebody randomly in the mall, to making or cooking food for someone, providing something of value for somebody, to the actual work that you do with your hands, to your creative work. I want you to begin to look at money differently, because it will really change how money reacts and responds to you. It will change how the universe brings money to your experience as well. Stop thinking about money as just paper bills. I think that we get stuck when we think about money as just paper bills, and so we fail to see the abundance that is all around us. We fail to see the immense prosperity that exists in our experience right now in this present moment, because we want to see physical cash. Physical cash. We want to see the cash money. And so we fail to appreciate the air that we're breathing for free. We fail to appreciate the sunshine. We fail to appreciate the fact that we just had breakfast. We fail to appreciate the fact that we are alive. We fail to appreciate the abundance that's all around us at every moment in time, simply because we have ascribed abundance to the physical paper. The physical paper can only come to you when you project and give energy into the world and have the self-esteem enough to ask for value back. A lot of people miss out on receiving money simply because they do not ask. If you're not asking, you're not going to receive. So understand that when you put value out into the world, it is your place. You have the right to ask and say, dear universe, I'm putting this value out into the world and I want to receive the equivalent value in cash money. You have to ask for it. When you're doing your work and you're serving people and you're bringing value into the marketplace, if you find it difficult to ask for the value that you deserve or that you're worth, then people are not going to pay you what you're worth. A lot of people go about life offering services and doing things that they're supposed to get paid for, and treating it like, oh, if you want to give me something, just give me whatever you want to give me. And trust me, if you live life like that, people will give you whatever they want to give you. You have to know and remember that people are not necessarily walking around with money in their pockets trying to pay you fully for what you're worth. Everybody's trying to pay less and less. And so if you don't ask, or if you ask for too little, you will get nothing, or you will get so little. Okay? So this is very important to understand. Money is energy. Money is energy. There's a reason that it is called currency. It is a flowing energy. And so you want to begin to raise your vibration and begin to feel differently about money. Begin to see money in everything. When you look up at a tree that has fruits, see the abundance in that tree. When you wake up in the morning and you're alive and you're breathing, you're healthy, see the abundance in all of that. Because look, if anything were to happen to you right now and you did not have your health in order anymore, you will have to spend a lot of money for hospital bills. Thank God that you're not doing that right now. That is abundance. That is energy. That is money. Okay? So first of all, you have to shift your mentality about what money is. What is money to you? If money is just the physical paper bills to you, then you keep on losing actual money. You'll keep on losing actual abundance. Okay? So here's a great exercise that I want you to begin to practice to raise your vibration about money and about wealth and about abundance. A very simple exercise is to see abundance everywhere. Look up at the clouds and see the incredible flurry of colors in the sky. Look up at the trees and see all of the fruits on the trees and see how abundant the universe is in everything. Look at a child that is running around and playing, and see the abundance in that happiness in that moment with that child. When you wake up every day, be grateful, have gratitude that you're alive, have gratitude that you're breathing, that you're not sick and you're not in hospital. Just begin to appreciate the abundance that is just in everything. When you open your wardrobe, even though it feels like, oh, you've had this clothes for so long, appreciate the fact that you have this many clothes in your wardrobe. See the abundance everywhere. When you turn on the tap and you open the tap to get some water, take a look at how the water is flowing freely, flowing and flowing and flowing. That is abundance right there. So begin to appreciate the free flowing energy of abundance that's all around you, and begin to call in the abundance that is yours, and also ensure that when you put energy out into the marketplace of life, you have the courage enough to ask for what you're worth. Ask for the value back in cash money. Ask for your money. If you're afraid to ask for your money, you're not going to receive. If you're afraid to ask for your money and you keep on putting energy into the wall, then you're doing yourself a disservice. You are robbing yourself of your own money. This is so important to understand, and I hope that this video has made a lot of sense for you. If it has, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to read from you. It would be lovely to see your comments and to see all of you that are new on the channel subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Eva. I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe if this is your first time watching. See you soon.